Ferrari has unveiled its brand new, all-new, latest, super high-performance Grand Touring supercar, the majestic 12Cilindri, which directly replaces the 812 Superfast and sits just below the SF90 Stradale. This isn't just a new supercar from arguably the most desirable supercar brand in the world, but is something of a rebellious statement of defiance and dissent in this chastened era of full electrification. The 12Cilindri is not even a hybrid. It's literally all in the name, 12Cilindri, pronounced 12Cilindri in Italian. I hope I got that right. Means 12-cylinder. Yep, this is the last shout of a mighty, free-breathing V12 engine from Maranello, the last cry of the glorious V12 legacy. Enrico Galera, Ferrari's head of marketing, describes the 12Cilindri as a bold statement in an era dominated by electrification. Against all odds, Ferrari has dared to preserve the soul of the V12 engine. It is a 6.5-litre V12 powerhouse codenamed F140HD, delivering an exhilarating 819 brake horsepower at a staggeringly stratospheric 9,250 RPM with nearly 680 Newton meters of torque at 7,250 RPM. 80% of the torque is accessible at just 2,500 RPM, and you can keep this 12-cylinder motor screaming right up to the red line of 9,500 RPM. It is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, a first for a V12 Ferrari, which features 5% shorter gears and a 30% reduction in shifts compared to the 812. Apparently, the gear changes slam into the ratios at high speed with the ferocity of gunshots. This big GT, which is 80mm longer than the 812, can rip from rest to 62 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.9 seconds, while 0 to 124 miles per hour, which is 200 kilometers per hour, is dispatched in just 7.9 seconds, and the 12Cilindri is flat out at over 211 miles per hour or 378 kilometers per hour. To keep it all in check and stop you flying off the road, Side Slip Control 8.0 is the latest version of the car's traction control system. Brake-by-wire AB servo is deployed, and it has rear-wheel steering, first launched on the 812 Competizione. While longer, it has a 20mm shorter wheelbase than the 812. The overall chassis has fewer castings, which meant an increase in stiffness by around 15%, and this is also the first time a Ferrari has used recycled aluminium panels. Weight distribution is tipped at 48.3/51.7% front to rear, so almost perfect balance. Drawing inspiration from the iconic Ferrari 365 GTB4 Daytona, the 12Cilindri's design pays homage to Ferrari's rich heritage while embracing the future. Flavio Manzoni, Ferrari's chief creative officer, says he's been inspired by sci-fi, aeronautics, and space-age design. The 12Cilindri's headlights are said to be like wings, appearing to reach out beyond the car. A standout feature is the striking black strip that stretches across the nose. The rear aerodynamics steal the show though. Instead of a fixed wing, 2 active panels flank the rear window, dynamically adjusting to optimize downforce and stability at high speeds. The wings raise up to 50 degrees at speeds above 37 miles per hour to increase downforce to the rear axle, but then drop again above 186 miles per hour. It is art in motion. Step inside and you're greeted by a symphony of luxury and technology. It's more user-friendly and caters for both driver and passenger, with both of them getting their own digital screens. But there's also a central infotainment screen this time. There's still no navigation though, as most drivers prefer to mirror their smartphone anyway, according to Ferrari's research. This new V12 supercar will be priced from €395,000 for the coupe model in Italy, including local taxes. That translates to roughly £338,000 or $424,000. The 12-Cilindri Spider, launched amazingly at exactly the same time as the coupe, will start at €435,000 in Italy, about £372,000 or $467,000. But since these are mostly built to order with endless personalization and customization options, most customers will be paying over 500,000 euro. Yep, that's over €500,000 for one of these. Deliveries start towards the end of 2024 on the continent, expected to hit everywhere else in early 2025. This thing is sexy, it's sublime, it remains super fast with a proper old school V12. Hey, what's not to love? Check this out, guys. It's my book. It's my first novel, and it's written for car fans like you. It's a fun political action thriller. It's full of cool cars and spectacular action. Get your copy now at Amazon.com.